These 8 YouTube settings are very crucial for the overall performance of your YouTube channel. Some of them you have to turn them off and some of them you have to turn them on. So without any intro, let me show you quickly the ones that you have to turn on and the one that you have to turn off, right? So the first one is Creative Commons. So right now, let's assume we are uploading a video right here. Let me do that quickly with a sample video on my PC. So I'm going to pick this video and drop it right here. Let it load. So when you are uploading video onto your YouTube channel, you are going to see this portion, which is the license and distribution. So for the license, make sure you put it on Creative Commons. What happened over here when you put it on Creative Commons distribution attribution is that you allow other users to also use your content, and by so doing, they are in one way or the other promoting your content, unless your content is explicitly for yourself. You don't want anybody to distribute it without any problem. Then you can just leave it at the YouTube standard. But if you are just vlogging or doing any other stuff that is educational to others, feel free, leave it at Creative Commons. And if others use your video, you stand a chance to get, promoted on their respective platform that they use their video. So that is a plus for you. Right away, the next one is your channel category. So when you scroll down right here, you have this over here. My own, I put it on education because most of the content I provide on this channel is purposely to educate others about what I already know. So you are required to select the right category for your YouTube channel. With the category, what happens is that when you go onto YouTube, you will see at the top over here, we have different things showing up over here, right? When you scroll through, you're going to see a lot of stuff showing up over there. So the category actually helps you to be recommended to people who are searching for a topic in a specific area. For example, education that I've selected over here, those who are watching contents related to education, they are likely to come to my channel and view my videos. And if they are interested in what I do on the channel, they are going to stay glued over here and subscribe. So you have to make sure you select the right, category for your YouTube channel. If you are into comedy, make sure you select comedy. If you're into entertainment, film and animation, gaming, how to and stuff, music and stuff like that, right? Make sure you select the right category for your videos, right? The next settings, that is a big deal. Default upload. Now let me show you something over here. If you will see, I just uploaded this video over here, and this video is about 33 seconds. Now, but then you could see there are some things already in my tag, and when you come to my description too, you will see things already uploaded over here. You'll be like, how did I do that? That is a default upload. Now let me show you how that is done right away. So for the default upload, this is how you can do it. When you come to your YouTube studio, come to settings right here, and from here you see this option open up for you. Now quickly head over to default uploads. So for the default upload, what happens is that anything that you put over here, it will automatically be added to whichever new video you are uploading. So if you want a title to be the same for every video you are uploading, then you go ahead and enter the title over here. But in my case, I don't want the title to be, the same for every video. So yes, I've left it empty. When you come to my video description, there are some things I don't have to be typing them every day whenever I'm uploading a video. So all that I did was to put them right here in my description on the default upload page, right? So anytime I'm uploading a video, I don't have to enter these details again because they are already here. And this is a bonus tip I'm going to give to you, right? You will see over here, my visibility is on unlisted. It's not on public nor private, but unlisted. Unlisted because I want my videos to take some time before I publish them to go public, right? When you put your videos on unlisted or your default setting on unlisted, it helps you to prevent some accidental uploads. Maybe you are putting some video on your channel which you don't want the public to see. Let's say it's your project or school assignment or whatsoever. You definitely have to put it on unlisted. If not, you may accidentally put it there for the public to consume, which you will definitely regret later. And for the tags too, I've put some tags over here which are in relation to my videos that I produce. Now, what you have to note is that you don't have to fill this place in a default upload with 500 tags. Just fill it with a small amount of tags that you can possibly use, so that when you are uploading your main video, you see every video will have its own specific tag. Let's say this particular video is about how to do settings on YouTube. I'll have something like YouTube settings in my tag. The next thing that I want to talk to you about is something which is very, very important, and guys, you don't have to joke with it, right? So this thing, you are definitely going to have access to it when you are kind of new on YouTube, all right? That is two-step verification. Guys, you don't have to joke with this. Make sure you turn on your two-step verification, because a lot of channels are being hacked these days on YouTube. So you don't want to fall a victim for that. So go ahead and turn on your two-step verification on your YouTube channel right now. The next setting that we have to look at is channel keywords. Now, to access the channel keywords, let's come to settings again. Once we are at settings, we come to channel, right? So once you're on the channel, we have keywords over here. Now, these keywords, they are not the one going to be showing on your video description, but they are going to be representing your channel generally on YouTube, such that if somebody search for something which is in relation to the keywords over here, the person is likely to come across your YouTube channel. So you could see I put things like business, how to start business, passive income, social media, entrepreneur, business tip, money making, online social, so YouTube growth, YouTube tips, YouTube settings, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube video editing and stuff like that. Video editing, because I do video editing and all these things that I've mentioned over here, I do them on this YouTube channel. That is how come I put them over here, so that if somebody search for something in relation to these things, the person can have a high probability, or there should be a high chance of the person locating my YouTube channel. That is the settings I want you to turn on right now. I want you to put keywords for your YouTube channel right here under this session. So to do that, just come to settings and come to channel, and you're going to have access to all this, right? And the next part, let's look at it. That's automatic chapters. Now, if you are uploading a video onto YouTube, YouTube automatically make sure they give you automatic chapters. Now, let's scroll down and see what we are going to have access to over here. Good. So when you come to this session, we have allow automatic chapters. So by default, YouTube turned this on. And there is something I want to tell you about this. Guys, this is not always accurate compared to you doing the chapters yourself. Now, if you don't know how to set chapters for YouTube videos, leave a comment below and I'll make a very short video on how to do that for you, right? So this feature, you definitely have to turn it off, because it is not always accurate. Whenever it is not accurate, it means your viewer is not going to have that good viewer experience when viewing your video. Meaning, at a point that you don't have to cut the video will be cut and the chapter will be brought at that place, which is not going to give the person the right information that the person needs. Maybe if the person is jumping from chapter to chapter in your video, the person may not have access to the right information at that moment. So you definitely have to turn it off and always do it manually whenever you are uploading video, right? The next thing that you have to do is to come to video elements, right? So under video elements, this is what you have to do. End screen. This is something that you shouldn't joke with, because what happened is it kind of brings viewers to your video. So when you come here, just tap on add. When you tap on add, this page you open. So it depends on what you want to add to your end screen. All right. So it basically means at the end of the video, another video or another content on your YouTube channel will be shown to your viewer. So let's assume I want to add one video and the subscribe button. So I'll click here and it will appear over here, right? By default, YouTube select this one, best for viewer. Now I want to select a specific video. So I'll come to choose specific video. What I have to do over here is to select the video I want. So let's assume I want to use this CapCut, video over here and put it over here. Good. It will be showing over here. Now, if you want to push it to wherever you want to push it to, just move it around like this. And this is the subscribe button too. If you want to move it, you move it, right? Now, if you feel like adding something else, you can just come here to element, click on it, and if it's a video, you select a video. If it's a playlist, you select a playlist. Now, you can see they don't have to overlap, so you have to give them a space, right? So let's assume I want to put the subscribe in the middle and put this one at the side over here. All right, that is pretty much cool. This is for most recent upload, so this will show the recent upload on my video. But then I'm not going to save this because I'm not going to upload this video. It's just for educational purpose. So let me discard this right away. And the last thing that I want to show is a custom subscription, option that you can do, right? So let's go to a channel dashboard over here, and I'm going to close this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to customization over here. Right now, under customization, you just have to come to branding. When you come to branding, you will see these things. All right, you will see a place to upload your profile picture, how to upload your banner image, and this is the part I'm interested in. Okay, so video watermark. The watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. What happened is that this image, I have uploaded it here myself. So whenever somebody is viewing your video on a PC, the person will see this option and it will show us a subscription. Now let's have a look at what exactly I'm saying. So this is my video. This is one of my videos, SERENE. This is one of my videos. So you could see this thing popped up over here, right? So whenever somebody hover the mouse onto this, the person will see the option to subscribe to your channel without having to go anywhere or whatsoever. When a person uses the mouse over this option will pop up for the person to subscribe. So these are the top 8 settings you have to do for your channel right now if you want the good for your channel, right? And now if you don't know how to edit videos and you don't know anything about video editing, don't worry, I have a full playlist of CapCut, video editing that you can go right now and watch and start editing your YouTube videos without any, problem. Right, I'll see you in the next video.